HTML Introduction. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. A simple HTML document. The doc-type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. What is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. This is the example below. Note, some HTML elements have no content, like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Web browsers. The purpose of a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. This is the example below. HTML page structure. Below is a visualization of an HTML page structure. Note, the content inside the body section, the white area above, will be displayed in a browser. The content inside the title element will be shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. HTML history. Since the early days of the World Wide Web, there have been many versions of HTML. 1989. Tim Berners-Lee invented www. 1991. Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML. 1993. Dave Raggett drafted HTML+. 1995. HTML Working Group defined HTML 2.0. 1997. W3C Recommendation, HTML 3.2. 1999. W3C Recommendation, HTML 4.01. 2000. W3C Recommendation, XHTML 1.0. 2008. What HTML5 First Public Draft? 2012. What HTML5 Living Standard? 2014. W3C Recommendation, HTML5. 2016. W3C Candidate Recommendation, HTML 5.1. 2017. W3C Recommendation, HTML 5.1 Second Edition. 2017. W3C Recommendation, HTML 5.2. This tutorial follows the latest HTML5 standard.